News, oh my people, we sit down together now. We call they look the matter. We call say wait till they happen. They say let the people know, let the people know because when you keep something secret, they make things they not they go away. You get me now? They make things not they go away. So you need to explain, you need to expose, you need to make sure say some things. They reveal and say we're not just quiet. They look and say we not speak. So we need to speak out to make sure say things are done decently and in order. Not be smart happen for Imo State. Oh. Some say we say what is going on here. They say they ask the Imo Assembly to impeach Hope. Say over killing of workers for salary. They say some workers they ask for salary, and because they ask for salary, the governor of the state, they don't make sure say they don't go bottom. You know where bottom they now they saying they go. Nigerians they call the one that say problem they oh hey. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. So don't be small thing hope do so. When we get all the man is supposed to be hope. Oh. And when something we go come to that, may we read the news so that we not go take too much time. You not get to that thing with me. May we read that together. Coalition ask Imo Assembly to impeach Hope over killings, workers' salary, and more. The Coalition of True Governance, CTG, has called for the impeachment of Hope, the governor of Imo State, due to the state's ongoing murders. In addition, the organization encouraged security organizations to focus their searchlight on Imo due to the recent wave of unrest brought on by the employees' strike action. Charles, the conveyor, urged members of the Imo House of Assembly to start the impeachment process against the governor. In a statement on Tuesday, his lack of action and leadership in resolving pressing challenges, including CTG request, has significantly disrupted the state and trampled on anything that has to be of integrity. Charles argued that it is unacceptable that innocent people continue to die while being compared to protests for bad leadership, better salary pay, and workers' condition. Just a few weeks ago, 5 policemen and a couple were gruesomely killed in Okpala area of the state. This is disheartening. The group regrets the alarming development of violence, criminal activities, including kidnapping and killings, taking place in Imo and news frequently. The ongoing workers' strike has caused significant disruption to public service, with healthcare and education being severely affected. Yet the governor is unwavering and concerned with everything going on with Nigerians, especially with his state where he's supposed to be a governor. This has led to the calling to ask for the impeachment of the governor immediately. So you don't see they say they impeach Hope say because he wala too much. They say Hope wala too much. They say they send her come up for the place say because it's way Hope they do so. If two people do one, Imo State not go remain. They say just the guy they die near like far will not be smarting. Say what the guy they do, it not correct. Yeah, it not correct. Say because the guy just they do things, just they pretend like say, they see what they happen, so it's very bad. A lot of things have happened, a lot of issues have gone on, and people are significantly really, really looking for how things can be better. And it does not very, very much feel like, there is opportunity for that because the so-called person who is supposed to be minding and making sure that things are done decently and in order in the state cares less. In fact, he cannot be bothered. Right now, as we speak, there is ongoing worker strike in Imo State. And the strike, maybe people just say, no, we not go grill, they not call they walk, they not call go walk. And the guy not they bothered. The guy is not bothered one bit. Like say that they ask whether the thing concern person. The guy not they consign, he not they bothered one bit. Yes, he not consign him. So now some of these things now they happen and me and you they look and say, this governor, people that should be governors should be people who are concerned about the people. You came out and you campaigned and you begged the people, seemingly saying to them that you want to serve. If given an opportunity, you will serve with integrity. You will do blah, 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 blah. Okay, they believed you. They gave you an opportunity. But we not believe when people give you opportunity. Shana court. Now, Buhari and the guys, what you call Oshomole, now they arrange you there so that they can penetrate into the southeast people. Because before then, South is not get time with say now 5 states they the southeast too. The whole of the southeast at some point na PDP. No, they can't get APGA. For Anambra State, APGA. So apart from that, the rest na PDP. So now so the matter called B, Southeast na stronghold for PDP. One APGA. Smarter they call say they go more penetrate. They call hope for me to say hope. Oh, say yes. Your name na hope, yes. People supposed to hear your name, get courage, feel that there is opportunity. There could be an opportunity. Probably things will change. It just gives them that move and that stir to continue with life and to be, and to be positive towards things. That's what it's supposed to be. But however, now the reverse is the case. So now they call the opposite. The opposite. So a mama need to go pray. How they go born picky, they call her hope. They give people hope. They give people sorrow and despair. They call and say, well, say hope. You say, yes, sir. You like to be governor? You say, yes, now. I say, what will you give? You say, anything. They say, well, you go give him more. You say, no problem. Now be going to the people they suffer for so. Not be say they sit down, so they call say, this hope yellow, well, when we vote and a yellow man we want this time as our governor. Not be so. Now, Supreme Court put her there. Supreme Court too. In fact, they don't swear in a maker finish. They don't start work. We don't the office. Now while I start. Now they say we're saying I hope. Now they say make the National Assembly for Imo State made the impeacher. But I need to explain something to you about impeachment. Say the impeacher not mean say go come out as governor. I think you know that thing. There are matters to it. It will not be automatic. But now so APC don't do plenty things. Many people don't lose their life. People don't need to don't die. They don't die. Some wife don't be widow because of activities when they go on. Human being won't claim position. Some children don't be fatherless or motherless. Husbands don't be widower because of activities. You see, I say we need God. And that's why in Nigeria, it must change. Don't let anybody. Because they tell you one thing, say and one thing. No way. Somebody say no way. Exactly. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Bye for now.